Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Sunday, December 29th at about 9:45 in the morning. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55, and today we are doing a New Year's Eve drawing. I remember in my early 20s, I would go out with my buddies and try and get that fabled kiss at midnight. I think I succeeded once. That's it. But anyway. So here's the idea behind my drawing. I wanted to center around time. And so I first did the hourglass, and it's a little crooked. I know it's a little slanted, whatever. It's still, you know what it is. Then I decided to put a clock in, and to do all the numbers proportional, it would still look a little funny. So at our bookstore, my wife had a clock that she had on the wall before I even met her, and it had the numbers jumbled, and then had, what did it have on there? It said whatever. So I thought, hey, that'd be a neat little idea. That way I don't have to worry about getting the clock exactly right. The drawing fireworks, that's another interesting concept. I had to do a little research on that and see what people were doing. I'm not impressed with it still. I may delve into fireworks at a later date, but that's what that glob at the top right is supposed to represent. I did put a glass of champagne in. Never been a fan of champagne. I would drink one glass on New Year's. My brother, who has his own channel, which is linked in the description, when I was single, he would come up to my, and he was single, he would come up to my place and we would grill shrimp and lobster tail. And don't get me wrong, don't think I'm rich and not. They came from Walmart. Still, it was good. So there's the glass of champagne, and then of course Father Time is in there as well. So this is my Happy New Year to you guys, and leave me a comment if you like it, like and subscribe, and also if you don't have a hobby or have pushed a hobby off to the side, get back into it. You don't have to throw it out for YouTube for everybody to see. It is enjoyable. It gives me a good way to relax. So here's my final drawing, and I hope you have a Happy New Year's.